Hundreds of funds in the market, but barely any idea of where to invest, how much to invest? Guess you have a solution for it now. The Mutual Fund Baskets feature by InvestRight app helps you diversify your portfolio across different funds by just investing in one single basket. For example, the Gold Basket invests in 2 funds and its 3-year CAGR is 19.16%. Then you have a first-timer basket if you're entering the market in your initial phase of investing. Similarly, selected mid-cap, CIO's basket, and retirement basket, along with specific goals like Crorepati basket in 10 years, are also available on the app, and you get the details about each of these with just one click. And the special basket gives you access to global equities with a minimum investment of just 2,000 rupees. So why not give new exposure to your portfolio and diversify it with just one tap? Because these are expert curated baskets to optimize your financial journey. Download or update the all-new InvestRight app and happy investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.